Hey, this is James Bergstrom with Paramount Real Estate Group, and one of my favorite things about listing homes is getting to meet my people and, evaluating their home, but also the things that we can do to help them get the biggest return on their investment. In this case, we're going to bring our construction team in and do some subtle renovations here. A little bit on the exterior, a little paint, some stuff, some repairs, and then we're going to take it in the interior. We're going to kind of change things up a little bit. We're making some final decisions, so I might give you an opportunity to vote on what you think. We'll get back to that later. Come on in. As you can see, hey, it's been in here a long time. It's a little bit worn. So we're going to clean things up. We're going to paint it. We possibly talking about scraping the popcorn ceilings and removing that. But the big question is, do we remove this wall and open up the kitchen? Which I do love to do. But we are working with a limited budget, and we need to be mindful and good stewards of her money and investment. And so we have some decisions to make still. So stay tuned on whether we open it all up, or maybe we put a new kitchen in, or we do a combination, to be determined. But I want to give you a little tour of the house so you can see it before. And then once we wrap up this project, we'll show you the final results. So downstairs, we're gonna install some new LVP, and then from the stairs on up, we'll be installing some new carpet, just gonna freshen things up here and give a good feel for our next buyers, as well as painting the whole interior of the home. And some subtle molding work where needed. So we're downstairs in the green room. Now I love a tri-level floor plan because it does have this extra room downstairs, which is versatile. We're gonna make this room a cool space for the next homeowner. It's got some cool bookshelves. It's got just all sorts of possibilities to be anything you choose to use it for. Welcome back, everyone. Today, I am so excited to bring you right here inside our latest transformation here at the house on Oxford. As you saw in the early shots we showed you a little bit before, now it's time to see the after and the final results. On the outside, we gave this home a refresh with some exterior paint, deck repair, and what I think made a big impact is we installed brand new garage doors. I think that completely set the tone the moment you pull up. As you enter inside, you will see a completely refreshed interior with new LVP floors, fresh paint, new carpet, and I think just light and bright and beautiful. Love this room. As you can also see, we did make the choice, because of budget, not to remove that kitchen wall and open it up, but we still love the outcome. I love this kitchen now as we installed brand new white shaker cabinets with quartz countertops to go with the beautiful stainless steel appliances. I think this kitchen's now a showstopper, and it's perfect for gathering, cooking, and creating great memories. Upstairs, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, including an upgraded primary suite. That's the perfect retreat at the end of the day. And downstairs, we have a very versatile rec room with a freestanding stove, ready to flex as your home office, gym, or media lounge. Out back, it's all about lifestyle. Fresh landscaping, a big deck, and a fully fenced yard built for barbecues and gatherings. Who's for ribs and who's for brisket? So there you have it. Light, style, and space, all in one perfect place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's looking for their dream home. I'm James Bergston with the Paramount Real Estate Group, and I'll see you at the next one.